in Abdul Razak Khan. Abdul Razak Khan, would you want to congratulate Amna Begum Ansari today that women, Muslim women have got their rights and the Supreme Court has upheld their rights of maintenance under Section 125 of the CRPC?
Navika, both the justices, Justice Nagratna and Justice Masih, they are not experts of Islamic law, firstly.
They are experts
Secondly,
of
what
the
I would like to tell you is that this verdict of today is nothing new. It is not unprecedented. Even while we framed a law in Parliament in '86 during the Shahbanu case, even that time we had the Section 125 of CRPC. For some women who marries according to Muslim personal law, she will always fall back for Muslim personal law only. But for somebody who marries in a court, according to the Special Marriages Act, who marries in a court rather than a masjid, she is always welcome to go ahead and contest under 125 CRPC. First of all, please try to understand what is a divorce. Divorce is end of relationship. Once the relationship has ended, we are giving you 3 months and 10 days time as iddat for you to stand up again, start your new life. So take maintenance for those 3 months. Why this endless relationship of giving money every month, some maintenance, till up to when? If she starts working somewhere, she will not get maintenance. If she marries somebody, she will not get maintenance. These people sitting here in the, the BJP spokesperson Gaurav Bhatia ji and all, they are not pro-Muslims. They are anti-Muslim. So they will definitely want these Muslim women to stay back at home, not start working. They are anti-Muslim women. They don't want their growth at all.
For people like
what
you,
have they done for women?
People like
Forget
you,
Muslim women.
Mr. Abdul Razak Khan, the judgment, and I'm quoting the judgment says, maintenance is not a matter of charity but a fundamental right of married women. This right transcends religious boundaries, reinforcing the principle of gender equality and financial security for all married women. Time has come for Indian men to recognize the indispensable role and sacrifices made by housewives for the family.
Yes,
we highlight the necessity for husbands
Islam
to provide financial support to their wives. Practical measures such as maintaining joint bank accounts and sharing ATM access to ensure economic stability for women within the household. We are hereby dismissing the criminal appeal with the major conclusion that Section 125 CRPC would be applicable to all married women. Now I want to ask Amna Begum Ansari. 3 महीने maintenance देकर.
Madam, please give me 1 minute. Madam, please give me 1 minute. Listen to the answer of this, what you have questioned.
Okay.
In Islam, marriages are not for 7 janam and 7 vachan. Once you marry somebody for 7 janam, you have to have that person only.
7 janam, 7 vachan nahi hai, so what is it? Every morning when you wake up, you can decide whether you want to stay married or not, and is that the right that should be protected by the Constitution?
Navika ji, it is a contract for 1 janam, 1 vachan. If that vachan fails, there is no connection between husband and wife. So take whatever is meher. We are at least in Islam giving security to women. Unlike any other religion, we give mahar to a woman so that she is, self-sufficient. If the husband dies the next day, she will have money in her hand. Who else does this?
आमना बेगम मेहर मिल रही है तो मेंटेनेंस क्यों मांगा जा रहा है डिवोर्स के बाद? दैट इज द आर्गुमेंट दैट इज कमिंग इन फ्रॉम दीज पीपल हु आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, सेविंग द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड
एग्जैक्टली
न्याय. आफ्टर ऑल न्याय यात्रा हुई थी, ये न्याय है?
No. First of all, Navika, thank you for giving me this space so I can speak my view as well. And I'm very happy that finally mainstream media is covering the subject related to Muslim women and their right. So I want to talk about this meher thing they are bringing again and again. So when we talk about, like I am going to talk about practicality. When we talk about Middle East, go and check the amount of meher the women receive there. It is enough for the lifetime. But since our cultural reality is very different, in India, Muslim men don't pay the equal amount of the meher, which would be enough for the lifetime. First of all, there is a huge difference there. and we have a cultural reality. I mean, even if you see, polygamy is allowed in Indian personal law, which is very unfortunate things. But statistically, you will find that very less men practice
Madam, it
that
is
polygamy.
Islamic law.
Because
Why
this
is
is
it
our
unfortunate?
cultural reality. And yeah, it is unfortunate in the modern world because
is
this
it
is not
unfortunate?
practical.
Abdul Razak
However, I
Khan, you
would also
will
like to
not
say that-
interrupt. You will not interrupt
Can I speak?
Amna Begum.
I am not
Please
interrupting.
wait for your
I am not
turn.
interrupting.
Wait for your turn.
Saying
Yeah.
It is very
I
unfortunate.
want to.
Maybe unfortunate. Please wait for your turn. And I'm lowering your fader. I'm lowering everybody. When Amna
And I
speaks,
can
nobody
speak for
else will
myself.
interrupt. Amna, go ahead.
Yes. So this, I would say this judgment of Supreme Court is another step in ensuring the gender equality in India, specifically for the Muslim women. But make no mistake here, this is not applicable only for the Muslim married women. This is the financial, basically for financial support for any dependable. So problem here arises that this is not by default function. Only those Muslim women who have a mean and legal hello?
Yes, yes, go on.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. So only those women who have resources to access the legal justice system, they can go for the PC 125. However, we have to make sure that gender equal law should be by default applicable to for every woman in India, regardless the religion. And UCC is the only solution for that. Because these kind of men, I have been listening all these male chauvinist Muslim men, they will make sure that we never ever get our rightful what belongs to us.
Brave
We
of
will
you,
never get the
Amna.
justice.
She's saying
So-
there should be a uniform rule for everybody. What's your problem, Abdul Razak Khan? UCC?
Nobody is stopping, madam. They have access to 125 CRPC. Somebody wants to go, can go. But what I'm trying to convey here is we are giving you equality. We are saying once divorced, please move on. Please start a new life. Take whatever you're getting for 3
How
months, 10 days.
simple- how
Go work
simple do
somewhere.
you make it
rather
sound?
than sitting at home.
You make
rather
it
than
sound
taking
so
the
simple.
10,000
What
every
about
month.
women? What about women who give up their jobs? What about women who sit at home to look after the family? What about women who are told by their in-laws not to go out and
Okay.
work?